Okay, so we're going to finish up this meal and then head for the next meal. That's with Vikas Khanna, again from the Good Food magazine, coming up after this. So I've come to the Trident BKC in Mumbai to meet Vikas Khanna. Remember, he's the man on MasterChef India. He's also in this book, and I believe he's in the coffee shop over there doing something. Let's go and meet him. Come. Hello, Vikas.
Hey! Pleasure, Kunal.
Good to see you, good to see you. Okay, guys, this is the man, Vikas Khanna. He's come straight from New York, famous for being on MasterChef India, and we are glad to have you in this magazine as well. Good food.
Good food.
Yeah. Look, I was looking at this magazine. I just met Anjum. We cooked a little bit with her. I was so happy to see you, both you wonderful people on the cover of this magazine and your recipes inside. Lovely picture of this salad. Lovely picture. It's a spinach and walnut salad with curry dressing.
Yes.
Look at this. Look at this. So nice this looks. Can we ask you to make this?
We are going to do that right now. Actually, I was roasting walnuts.
Wait. I just see Chef Rohit coming in here.
Hi Kunal.
Hello, how are you, Rohit? Long
Hi,
time.
Vikas. I just heard you, Kunal. I think you're letting him get away very easily by just tossing a salad.
Really?
So I just wanted to see if he's really worth his salt.
Aka?
Yeah. So
Really?
we have some challenge for him.
Challenge.
I have a selection of ingredients, a rather simpler one. I have been a little generous for you, and I would like you to churn out something for us.
So this is your mystery box which you've just revealed.
That's right.
So that is like the mystery box of MasterChef India.
Yeah, and as you would do it on MasterChef, you have 20 minutes and your time begins now.
20 minutes
20 minutes too less.
You give him 10 minutes.
Okay.
Guys.
Be strict.
Okay, no, I'll be nice. 21.
21.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, Rohit.
See you.
See you.
Thank you.
So here we go.
Let's start.
Mystery box is here.
Yeah.
And let's figure out what is in this mystery box.
Kunal, let's do a twist on a classic Italian eggplant parmesan.
Why not?
I think Chef Rohit has got me into a fix. But what I'm going to do is, I'll do it very fast. You're going to cut these into 5 slices. We will dust the eggplant with a little bit of salt, both the sides, which is extremely important that it soaks the flavors. And then you just properly coat it, evenly coat it with flour.
Acha.
Here I'm using chawal ka
Chawal ka
atta.
Okay. So this is basically we are deep frying the slices of eggplant.
Eggplant. And here is a small tomato sauce. To that I'm adding little bhuna hua jeera and slightly ground star anise. So now what we're going to do, I'm just going to drizzle the plate with little oil.
Okay.
Because when we bake it, it will not stick to the base of the oven.
Okay. Oh, this is going to be baked after the fry.
Yes. We're going to start layering it. We're going to have some tomatoes which he's given us. I don't need because as I said, you don't need any moisture in this dish. So what we'll do is that we'll remove the
Skin.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start taking these out.
So you're going to put in the oven. So let's call it Bengal Parmigiana.
Bengal Parmigiana.
So let's make that salad.
Okay.
First of all, one of the most important thing of Indian cooking is tadka. So to make a salad dressing, I'll just make a tadka.
That's a good idea, huh?
Little bit of oil, this is almost like 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
Let the oil be heated, and then to that I'm going to add my jeera. Little bit of finely chopped ginger.
Okay.
Now comes a big surprise. Madras curry powder. I generally add little bit of water during this time because it will help not to burn this spice mix. To this, I'm going to add salt
Okay.
and honey. Almost 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Juice of 1 lemon. And I would love you to taste it.
It's very nice. It's damn unusual, and I've never imagined that I could actually eat a tadka.
Eat the tadka.
Nobody eats tadka.
So to this, we have some roasted nuts,
Okay.
some cherry tomatoes, little bit of fresh spinach leaves, and then on top of that, you can, when it cools down, you're going to add almost 1 tablespoon of the dressing and just toss it lightly.
I like this idea because this is spinach we're using. It's not like we're using rocket leaves or anything on this. So the whole Indian feel to this is very interesting. Okay, so here we are. We've got our 2 masterpieces from the master chef. Over here we've got this Bengan Parmesan, we call it, yeah. I'm all set to eat this. This is looking spectacularly good. I mean, there's even just the colors of this salad, and there's a certain Indianness to it, you know. Even the look is looking Indian for some reason.
Palak Indian.
Palak Indian. And then, of course, we've got our challenge over here, the Bengan Parmesan, as it has been named after the challenge, and we've successfully done the challenge.
I hope my dear chef will be happy with the dish.
I think he'll be very happy. He's been very kind in sending these 2 wonderful dishes, which we'll come to. But first, I think we should check out this salad.
Hi, Vikas.
Arre.
Hey, Kunal.
Well, we've just started on the salad right now, and I think you should also.
I think you've accepted the challenge and you've done quite. I see something. You've come up with something. Is that an aubergine parmigiana?
No, it's a Bengan.
Bengan Parmigiana.
It's an Indian version because in the twist, what you gave us, the mystery box, we also had Indian flavors.
So come on, let's partake. Let's partake.
Okay, no, I'm going to try the aubergine. I know the salad should go first, but I'm too tempted to try this flavors out first.
The salad is very interesting.
I'm very impressed. I mean, this is the first time I'm trying an aubergine parmigiana. Oh, sorry.
I haven't tried it, but Bengan.
The Bengan parmigiana with an Indian twist. But I must say, the way the flavors have been complemented,
I'm going to try it now.
Thank you.
it's going to go very well, particularly with the Indian plantain.
I like the way the Bengan has retained its form. It's not collapsed. Normally, Bengan tends to collapse when you cook it. And then the little bit of star anise and the jeera, the roasted jeera in the tomato puree or sauce that is inside, will give it another completely different kick. What have you laid out for us over here? This looks quite nice.
That's a vegetable lasagna,
Okay.
and we have a gnocchi with a tomato sauce.
Come on, let's try some of this also. I have to thank you very much
Thank you, Kunal.
for being part of this wonderful a few hours that were spent with us, and for the wonderful food here, for the wonderful challenge that you gave him.
Thank you.
Somebody
Thank
has
you.
to give him a challenge, no?
Absolutely.
Huh?
Absolutely. He's been throwing it all the time at
Yeah.
everybody.
I don't know challenges. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And to you, what can I say? It was great to, first of all, see you on television. It was great to see you in the Good Food magazine, and it's great to meet you in person.
But if you look back and see my journey, at how many years it must have taken me to figure out that one day I'm going to sit with Kunal and share my food thoughts.
I'm embarrassed, you know. I'm embarrassed. Yeah.
I'm extremely proud of this.
But it's just a great, it's just really nice spending the afternoon with you, you know.
Likewise.
Salam, as they say.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I must say, that was a good meal. Well, that brings us to the end of the foodie. I've had a great time cooking out of this book with these 2 wonderful chefs. I hope you have had a good time as well. If you want to write to us at weekend@timesnow.tv. We are also on Facebook. Till the next time, good food to you.